The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a pretty amazing device. It gives you the ability to have a large screen in a compact device, but one might say one of its shortcomings is definitely this cover screen here. Though it does provide some basic and useful functionality, there is a bit more to be desired beyond actually making it bigger. Now obviously we cannot increase the screen size, however, what we are going to do today is talk about an application that is designed to give you the most functionality you can possibly get from this screen. That app is CoverScreen OS, an app that lets you increase the usability of the cover screen by allowing you to do things like use full applications, to name one thing. So of course, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you can find this application by going to the Play Store and typing in CoverScreen, and CoverScreen OS should be right here at the top of the results. Once you go ahead and press, make sure to install it, and then go ahead and open it. Once open, you'll have to go ahead and choose the Google account you want it to be associated with and complete the setup. The setup really more so just consists of you allowing permissions for CoverScreen OS to operate at its full capacity. Permissions like enabling the accessibility service, which once you get into this menu here, you just go to installed apps, CoverScreen OS, and then switch that to on and then allow. You'll also have to grant it notification access by doing the same exact thing, tapping on the bar and then going and turning on CoverScreen OS and allowing it, and going here and pressing while using app. And there is a permission also here at the top that I forgot to mention, where you enable it to appear on top of other applications. Same process here. Look for CoverScreen OS, flip the switch on, and you're pretty much done. On the next screen, you will get a tutorial on how to actually use this application. However, we will be going over how to do that in another part of this video. Now, in its basic form, CoverScreen OS allows you to use applications on the cover screen. As you can see here, I have a full-on app drawer, and I can even go into any one of these applications if I want by unlocking with my fingerprint since I have a password. And you can see here, Smart Switch is essentially the same as it would be on the regular main display. The other basic feature you get here is the ability to use edge lighting on the cover display, as you can see here with this green bar going around the cover display on my device. The paid version of the app has a few different prices, and it does give you more features that expand on what we've already talked about. Pricing goes like this. You'll either be paying $199 monthly, $14.99 yearly. For a lifetime for the Z Flip 4 only, that means you can only use this application on a Z Flip 4 device. You'll be paying either $19.99, $24.99, or $29.99. If you choose to go ahead and do the lifetime subscription for all of the Z Flip series, which means this is a one-time purchase just like the other one I mentioned, you'll either be paying $49.99 or $99.99. I'm unsure if this would actually work with the Galaxy Z Flip 1, since that device has an even smaller cover screen than the Z Flip 3 and the Z Flip 4. The paid version gives you access to things like being able to resume apps on the main screen from that cover screen, the ability to hide the contents of notifications until you actually unlock the device, the ability to customize the edge lighting feature here by using the color of the application it's being sent from. You'll be able to customize the grid size of the app drawer within this CoverScreen OS app. And you'll also be able to display widgets like you normally use on your main display on the cover screen, as you can see here. These are really just a few of the things you get with the paid version. If we take a look at the app, there's not really too much here on the main homepage. All you'll see here is the status of the OS based on the permissions you've given it, the ability to get the paid version by tapping on Support Dev Pack. You have your tutorial, your guide, tips and tricks and frequently asked questions, feedback, and then about. If you tap on the settings here, this is kind of where most of your customization will come from, based on if you have the basic version or the paid version. Now, the things that I put here on the screen in this green box means that these are things you do get with the free version that you can manipulate. Anything not in a green box means that it is only available with the paid version. On the next tab here, which is the toggles, you get to customize the toggles you have up in the notification bar, and we will go over where those are in the navigation portion of this video. The next option over is where you can customize your media tile here, and as it stands right now, there is only one style with more styles coming soon. The last screen over here allows you to customize and add widgets directly to that cover screen display, and we will also go over that. Let's go ahead and take a look at how you actually operate this application. So once your screen is off, if you double tap to wake the screen like you normally would and swipe in the middle to where you want to go, this is generally how you operate this CoverScreen OS app. So for instance, if I wanted to see my notifications, I would place my finger in the middle of the display and swipe to the right, which will show me my notifications. If you swipe to the left, you will see your widgets here like you would normally see on your main display. And as a reminder, this is a paid feature. If I pull downwards, I can see my toggles, and with the CoverScreen OS app, it actually expands on what these toggles can do, or allows you to add more rather. If I swipe upward, you'll notice that it will control the media that I'm currently playing from any app. In this case, we're looking at YouTube, and I can control the progress from here by swiping on this bar. To get to the app drawer so I can use full applications, I simply tap on the middle of the display and then go ahead here and choose any application I want. When in an application, if I swipe from the right bezel over here inward, it will take me out of the app and take me back to the app drawer, just like you would use on the main display. As you can see, the CoverScreen OS application really does take the functionality of the cover screen here and brings it to the next level. I would even dare say that it allows you to get some of the functionality you would get with the Fold series. Now, I could spend time going over every single tiny detail of this application. However, I think based on the information I provided already, it's probably going to be better for everybody else to look into this themselves, because really this application, there is kind of no limits. It really does allow your Flip 4 to act the same way it does on the main display. So that is all I have for this video, and I do hope that this video was helpful. I do hope that it showed that the cover screen can be used for much more than you get right out of the box. And CoverScreen OS is a very, very awesome app. I'm really glad that the developers took some time to put some time into this screen. Hopefully in the next Z Flip series, those screens get bigger, but for now, just having the ability to use full screen apps on the cover screen makes it so that you don't have to go ahead and open the phone too much. However, I think we all can admit that it is pretty awesome that you can use full screen apps right on the display here. So as always, wherever you are in the world, have a great morning, a great afternoon, a great evening, or a great night, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.